My dad, growing up, used to talk about talent and IQ all the time. And I want to say that it does count. I've got an 18-year-old at home named Amanda. Sometimes she comes home with stories about Eli. Eli's in her math class. Eli never works. Eli never does his homework. Eli seems to have invented calculus on his own because he still gets perfect scores on all the math exams. And my daughter's convinced that Eli is so prodigiously talented that it doesn't really matter in life whether Eli's going to work hard or not work hard, because he's obviously going to become super successful. But I think by now I have convinced my daughter that insofar as talent counts, effort counts twice. First, because no matter how talented you are, you have to multiply that talent by hours of effort to actually gain skill, to learn calculus, to know how to write a memo, to know how to lead a team, know how to do all the things, frankly, that you have learned, your many hard-earned skills. But I like to say to my daughter, talent counts, but effort counts twice. Because once you have a skill, you know how to lead a team, you know how to do calculus, you know how to act in a film, you have to actually apply that skill. It's effort applied to skill that creates human achievement. And so when Will Smith says, "You may be more talented than me, but I will never get off this treadmill before you," I think what he's pointing to is that effort and talent are not the same thing. And in the long run, it may be, just as Darwin intuited, that effort may matter more. In data that I've collected on the grit scale and measures of talent, whether physical talent or IQ, cognitive ability, I find that measures of effort like grit are not correlated with measures of talent, like an IQ test. In some samples, they're inversely correlated.